Hey Abu,
Hey.
let's show them how we do it in the village.
Abu, yes, I have the girls up in my village. I am a player to my wives, scrimmage, and yes, we have the chemistry, so no need for the physics. They say my flow is sicker than the people at the clinics. Check out my beats, nothing on my feet. I should roll it, candy, wheezy, pretty hoes up in my brief. I should buy a couple shirts and throw the tricks atop my sleeve, but for now, I will stick to wearing leaf.
Tell me if you will be that girl is a real crook. You do your wine and represent the protection of some man bill you.
Yo, Monty.
I'm one Bobo.
Oh, he posted what for me. It's December 10th at Jimmy Club. It's in Jamaica.
Halka vibes. So you tell me say I be a vibes cartel and Halka line I play whole night. So people will stand up and listen after roll. And be a fever. You know so much people I get flu. You know so much people I catch cold youth. Multi-sil from your cheap.
Well. Kid, no disrespect still, but I can't even alcohol that artist right now. You don't know.
So where you trying to say bitch? Bounty and bean in a hat.
That must say killer.
Youth, one vice, and I mean that. Who no look a youngin, who no look a piece of bed turtle, who no need to get back to the roads, who no rate the blood clad legendary, beanie and bounty, but who no have to roll, how no fever, well, your mother man.
I'm gonna go back a yard outside.
Back at it again. Back at it again. Back at it again.
Outside, cool. What are you cooking on my
Baby, baby. It again. Ear in your sword, girl. Facebook ear in your sword, girl. Facebook ear.
You get this one. My God, you let them say the man gonna funeral.
My God, that me killer man.
Kill me? How you girl
You
to
got
kill?
dead. Me I tell you that you're dead in your son tonight.
Transform?
Catch me. You see if you're a beanie. You see if you're a can. Catch me. Catch me.
I'm done fucking girl. Kill that boy. Fuck my girl. We don't fucking girl already. You can't catch me. My God, you can't catch me. Back at it again. How you do?
Hero faster.
Hero faster.
The rules for this exam are pretty simple. No copying, no peeping, no talking, no reading. If you get a cut, no bleeding. No smoking, no provoking. No kicking, no boxing, no choking. No nothing. Alright guys? Start.
Study the table below. Observe the object above. What? I don't understand it. Earphones, no. What color is the blue bus? Cheap, man, no, I should study this now. Hold on.
Hey man, you got a paper in your hand?
What paper?
Can I have 6 more paper plates? Hola. Come on.
Okay. So, what seems to be the problem, Steve?
You can't ask me for no problem. Ask she. She won't come here.
Okay, Steve, calm down.
She won't come here,
I'll
that.
ask her. Oh, Ashley, you're right about his temper.
Yeah, I told you. But anyways, Doc, what I'm here for is that, like, I'm an adventurous person, okay? And I like to try new stuff. And the other night we tried some different positions and stuff, like during sex, and I really liked it and stuff. And we tried this one position. What's the name of that position, baby? Baby. What's the name of that position?
Okay, Steve, calm
Like
down.
this is his next problem, Doc. Like he has like a temper problem. He needs to fix it.
Okay, man.
You need to fix your temper, okay? You can't just be talking to people like that.
Chill.
God.
But anyways, what I'm trying to say is that he won't be this like open-minded person for me to try new
Hey, girl,
stuff.
me nah suck your pussy.
Steve!
If I
You see, Doc?
Zaga.
How with them girl I want from me, man? The other day, me and a girl I fuck. Here the girl, move faster. Me have to ask her if she think this is blood clad Lion King.
No bounty and beanie that don't get up. You know, say beanie love style people though. But me still gonna hear them, you know, come hot. Tell now.
Yeah, man, killer. I see one girl on mine, man. I'm going to ask her backside company.
Let me talk to you. You see the joke, the way you just run look while. No tell no more about the joke then. Make it stay right, that's all.
But at it again. Kill our God.
Killer, hello, when you're done. I'm telling you that.
Beanie, me tell you about the jokes up the way you love running or you would stop it. How who you, man?
A world dog, I'm here like a place in a killer.
Well, listen me. World goat, world hagger, world blood clot puppy. Use a little clown. Every day me see up on this blood clot social media run up and down like any blood clot naked peaky. I want to hear you think that 21st century this more tan. Clear out before you get your blood clot high glass beer out.
Can I have some extra sauce? That will be $20 more, sir. So I have to pay for extra sauce? Yes, sir. All the fucking money I spent, I have to pay for fucking extra sauce, man? Sir, you know what, never mind. Here's some extra sauce. Shit! Can I have some extra sauce? That will be $20 more, sir. So I have to pay for extra $30 more for the sauce, sir. What do you mean? $40 more for the sauce. But you just said $30? $70 more for the sauce. I don't want the sauce. $100 more for the sauce. I said I don't want any sauce. Are you deaf? Are you fucking stupid, man? You know, blood clot, man. Are you just hit me? Slap in your face again, too.
Google, do fishes have legs?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I fed that too. Yeah, man. Fed and beak and everything.
Google, where in the USA is America?
Alright, let me see you now. Alright, today, round one place, over one part, back of one fence, under one shed. In here, woman. Alright, a joke. It ain't like Canada. Yeah, man, Canada, right?
What is the color of a black cat?
You really don't know that? Purple.
Can I build a house without walls?
Look like a fear headed neck without a brain.
Google, can I eat my own poop?
Alright, you ready? You get 2 slices of bread, see? And you have to spread like a... Take your hands off on the internet with your bumbo clock fool self. No, man, I eat that, man. Breaking point. Ask me to walk out. Why you not eat your own shit? You're sick. You're sick. Facebook era. Back at it again.
Dog, you still dog? That bumbo with my youth. That nigga stupid. That in the cold man from the man from the block that still getting nice, dog.
Us from the block. I mean, my family, them are running off the block now.
You never seen that nigga system?
Dog, you never Avengers man living on my youth.
That.
Fuck my dog.
Nigga, that nigga sister is mad ugly, son. They fucking up the block.
In the cold.
Like cement.
That pussy and social justice league mama youth.
Hey, boy, say that again. Say that again, boy. I mean, you hear me?
Yo, get that nigga out your face, my nigga.
Hey, boy. You know your father?
What's up, son?
You talk about son? You know your father?
You might get superhero.
You want to be able to get normally tell us to remind them of character, you know? Yeah. Why? Because we're down to earth. Oh my. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys are so sexy, but we only talk to guys who dance to African music.
Jamaica are the second China because half of the population down here are Chinese people are not take fake rice when they come here. Building for put up, I uno get the contract. Highway for build, I uno get the contract. When you say no one Goat Island, we say take it. I uno send fake rice come to Jamaica. Mr. Chin, my chip lick to bomb road a build up right now out of 6 miles out there so. And you go out there and look for the flag them. Read the flag them when out there. You're damn right. We can't read the flag them because our Chinese there in I uno get the contract. I uno out there so I build up and I fix up things and uno send fake rice come to Jamaica. Mr. Chin, mind what you doing now, Mr. Chin? You might know karate. But me we kicking at your butt.
Is your water fresh? Is it tasteless? Is it too transparent?
It's like, I can't even drink real water no more. Me remember when I little, sometimes I drink water, I thought it tastes like bread. It's like, I don't know what to do no more. Anthony, it's like I said before. Sir, this is not PR, sir. This is a informational commercial.
Oh, sorry.
Yes. Before move come in the house, what I used to taste like ground coffee and like hockey and them thing there. You see me guava. You see me in a tree. Them ground coffee and thing there, brother. Why you think we need water too much? Cause it tastes like yam. I never could buy yam to taste yam. My water was yam. Why you think it full my belly so much? Water nowadays fresh. What do you imagine some water and it all water down? How? Heh? Me like when I drink water, I feel like I catch high blood pressure. I want to come and give me with them fresh water. Yo, me done with that list. Nah, we walk around. You tell them you tell niggas what? Nigga, what the fuck, nigga? Ain't tell niggas nothing, nigga. I ain't no informer, nigga. You informer, nigga? No, dog, you inform with. I inform for dead, dog. I need that inform with. Facts, nigga, facts. I ride for my homies, nigga.
Jeffrey!
Oh, you put him a calm them on you. Alright, nigga, make sure you don't fucking tell them nothing, nigga. Zip like one of them. I am constable, I don't give a fuck. You look thirsty, you want some water? I'm not thirsty. Alright, let's get to this then. Who killed the man? So no, you can't talk, Okay. Don't talk. You see how you look like Tracy Chapman, you look dirty, naughty them. Then we know what to do with you in a prison. No, you talk about them. Kisco tell me say, are you killed the man? So, I deaf me, or me, I go crazy or something like, me I idiot. I tell you say, Kisco can't tell you. Kisco tell me say, are you killed the man? Kisco kill the man. Say, Kisco, don't kill the man. Shoot him in the leg, not in the leg. Guess what Kisco do? Guess what he do? Shoot him in the blood. Me have evidence to put the two out in a prison. I don't mean kill him, man. Kisco! Yo, the clock is good. I'm making nobody boy, I know. You're killing nobody, but no time for nobody. I got 25 guys.
Yo, what happened to you?
Shan.
What happened to Shan?
She dead.
What? How you know that?
Me text her about an hour ago and she no text back.
Susan, that don't mean she dead.
No, she better blood clot dead. Me can't text her an hour ago and you no respond. If she not dead, we go kill her blood clot.
No, she just posted on Instagram 5 minutes ago.
What? Let me see that. But how the blood clot this? No, I'm calling girl. Hello? No blood clots. Hello, me stinking dirty blood clot cranny body girl. Me text you about your post on Instagram. Remember who introduced you to Instagram, yeah? Remember who show you how to open my DMs, Remember who show you how to add filter to your dirty ugly picture them, Remember who post you on Instagram and give you a shout out so you can get your followers. Bye, come off of my phone. That bright.
In Jamaica, we still have the beautiful sunshine, but it get cool no blouse and skirt. We don't have snow to make any snow angels, but what we do have is grass, and we make grass angels. Grass like a gun, kill me to mama, kill me to mama, kill me to mama.
Holy idiot.
Yo, with new girl like, brother, a girl bigger than a Fidel Castro funeral. Style thing. I'm see her girl. You don't know me like them small and thing. Yeah. Oh, you got this magazine, man? Dog, tell what kind of girl me want, dog. Kind of girl.
I want a fatty. We like chicken patty. Anytime she see me fridge, she say she not lucky. I want a girl, we small and slim. If little breeze blow, she goodly move with the wind. Fatty, we like her banana chips. Anything she eat, go straight to her hips. I want a girl, when Marga like tread. Medieval feel her when she lie down on my bed. I want a girl, we big like outside. When we go shopping, them can't find her size. I call her all in one, breast, belly and thighs. She get vexed when I say, babe, it's time to exercise. I want a chick, when Marga like stick. When her legs rub, fire start to hear chick, chick, chick.
Rice bag, here sir. Twangaroo, here sir. Shoe shine, there. Nerd on, here sir. Right now we're going to do a short recap. Yo, I'm just about my cap. Can someone tell me what is the chemical formula for water? Sorry, that's not yes, shoe shine. H-I-J-K-L-M-N-A-O. What are you talking about? Sir, last week I tell me the chemical formula H2O. H-I-J-K-L-M-N-A-O. Twangaroo.
How do you spell machine?
M-A-S-H-E-E-N. Machine. So you can't tell me that wrong, you know why? You ask how me spell it, and that's how I spell it. I don't know how anybody else spell it, but that's how I spell it. Rice bag. Put the word battery in a sentence. Yesterday my friend sent me a gun song to my phone. I never knew it would have killed my battery.
Did you know the heart is approximately 8.856 kilometers in diameters? Oh my god.
Good morning, Tweety.
Sit down, peasants.
Last time I went to New York, it was a blast, you know. Just came in the class. Can you shut up? Hey, how much for the school? I might as well just buy the school and fire him.
You have an hour begin. Hour this? Him never teach me this. This to the pan syllabus? You girl. What the answer for number 3? Shh, no talking. You know what? I can't do this. I can't do this. I can't do this. Give me a next test, sir. Give me a next test.
Patricia.
Give me a next test. I can't do this. Give me a next test.
Patricia, relax,
Give me a next test,
calm.
sir. I make a scam, sell my body, sell drugs, strip something. Give me a next test, sir. I can't do this.
Patricia.
I can't do this. Give me a next test.
Patricia.
Give me a next test, sir. I can't do this.
Come on.
Give me a next test.
Shan, come here. Who the blood clot that?
My friend Patricia.
Oh, your friend.
She a friend.
When Andre they give bun in your blood clot and cheap and broke your heart, who for sure like come cry upon FRR Fimi? Oh no, that was Fimi. Last night when they did at the party and the DJ said if you're not wearing nobody clothes, put your hand in the ear and put your hand up in the ear. How for full suit of clothes they are wear? FR1 already Fimi. Oh no, that was Fimi. This morning when you wake up and you never have no panty you put on. Who for baggy you put on? FRR Fimi. So where the blood clot Patricia come from? Alright, I get the pints. What you want me to do? Tell her to go home. To leave. Pat. Bitch, you have to leave.
Susan.
Excuse me? Leave!
Shan, me text her when I reach home.
No, you won't. Shan, change your number. She gonna change her number.